Hello friends, welcome back once again. In the last two subsequent videos, we have learned how to set up Microsoft Teams account, how you can change your profile picture, how we can make yourself available busy, how you can set up your status message, how we can make use of the saved button, what are the settings you need to set. Then like that, how you can download the desktop application, how you can download the mobile application, and how you can sign out of the Microsoft Teams applications. Then we have also learned how to make use of this activity button, followed by how to make use of this chat button, and how we can have the private chat or group chat, and how we can manage those private chats and manage or customize those private chats and group chats. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can create and manage the teams. For that, let us go towards the left hand side of this application and create on the teams. Then you will get like this window. Here you are finding create a team or join a team with code. These are the two teams that already we have created, and already we can join those directly. Now here two options are there. Either I can create a new team, or if I am having any of the code that I can enter here and I can join the team. Or like these public teams are there. Directly if I will click on the join team, directly I will be the part of that team. Then first option already we have discussed, or let us revise. Three options are there. First option is if I am having the code of the team, then I can enter that code here, and I can be by clicking on this join team button, I will be the part of this team. Or like these public teams are there, simply by clicking on join the team button, I can be a part of that team. Or third option is there, create a team. For creating a team, two options are with me. I can create here, or I can go here towards the lowermost left corner, and I can click on join or create a team. Let's click on that. Then it will ask whether to create a team of class, professional learning communities, staffs, or others. Means for whom you want to create that team. Let us create a team for a class. Now here, what that this pop-up window will ask, to mention a name for this team. Let us say it I will add as a second year. If I want to add the description for this team, I can add description, but right now I will skip that part and just click on the next button. It will take a moment to create your team. Now here two options are there. To that team, I need to add the students as well as I need to add the teachers. In order to add the students, here you can type their name or email IDs, or if you are having an Excel sheet of the name with the names of students and their mail IDs, you can copy that and you can paste here. All the students will be added. Meanwhile, we will add the teacher. For name of the I will search the name of teacher. I can select from drop down and I can click on the add. He will be added, and by default along with yourself, that means right now I am creating the team, means I am the owner of team. Along with me, as this Ashutosh Kate is a teacher or one of my colleagues, by default he will be selected as a team owner. After that, I can click on the close button. Okay, like this towards the left hand side, you can find here your teams. Under that, I have created a team entitled second year. Now inside that, one channel already by default, that channel will be created, which is termed as a general. Now let us explore what is there inside this second year team. Let us dive in. What is there inside this second year team? Here I will get Similar to the previous chat section, here if I want to type any message or if I want to send any message to my students, then what I can do, I can use this comment box or chat box and I can type my message. If I want to customize it, what I can do, I can use this, and all the functionalities already we have discussed. Still I will repeat. If you want to make it as a bold, you can make it as a bold. You can make it as italic, underline, strike through. If you want to change the highlight color, you can change it. If you want to change the font color, you can change it. Then if you want to make those letters as a large, medium or small, that choice is with you with this symbol. And if you want to have it in heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 or paragraph according to your need or according to your choice, you can select it. And if you don't want to have any formatting, you can just select the message you want to send and just click on this symbol. All the formattings will be removed. If you want to make it towards the left hand or if you want to make it at a center, then you can use those two buttons. If you want to add the bullets, you can use this button, or if you want to add the numbers, you can use it. If you want to use the quotations, you can use it, or along with some message, if you want to add the link. Once again I will add google.com. Means along with this hi message, this link will be inserted and that will be sent, and this hi will be converted into purple color, and here you can find the link, and after that you can click on this send button. That message will be sent to him. Then here few more options are there. If I want to add the horizontal line, I can add that horizontal line. If I want to make it as important, I can make it as important. Then undo typing and repeat typing is there. Then only one we have explored, collapse compose box. Beside that, here if I want to attach the file, I can attach the file. If I want to send some emojis, I can select out of these emojis. If I want to send GIFs, I can select any of the suitable GIF and I can send in order to encourage the students. If I want to send any of the stickers out of these many, I can select a suitable sticker and I can send it to students. Still here stream and press button is there, that we will discuss later on. If I want to send any of the link through the YouTube, then I can search for it and I can attach that link and I can send that message by clicking here. Once again, if I want to edit the message I have sent, I have to move the cursor on this message and I have to click on these three dots. Then here I can find different messages. If I want to save this message, I can save it. After that, I will get here at my profile picture, I will get pop-up window as a saved, and if I want to check the saved message, I can click on this photo and I can click on this saved. Here I will get that message as a saved. Then suppose I want to edit it, I can click on this three buttons and I can click on the edit. I can edit whatever I want to edit, and after that I have to click on the done in order to update your editings. Once again, few more options are there. If you want to delete that message, you can delete it. If you want to make it as a unread, you can mark it as a unread. If you want to copy the link of this message, you can copy the link. If you want to share this message through the Outlook, you can, and like that many more options are there. As we are going to make the excessive use of it, definitely we are going to use all these sub options with ease. Now I will delete this message. After deleting, I will get an pop-up window or pop-up message as this message has been deleted. All these things will be shown under this post. We are exploring this second year teams, and under that we are in general channel. Then if we have or I have shared any of the files in this team, those files will be shown here. Suppose I want to share the files by creating new folders. I can click here, I can create a new folder. Let us say that I will give name as S1, and in that folder I want to add some material. I can add the material. If I will click here, depending upon whether to copy the link of this folder, if I want to download this folder, I want to delete this folder, or I want to pin it to top, or I want to rename it, all these options are there if I will select it, along with few more options that open in SharePoint that we will discuss at the end. Now along with this new, here upload option is there. By clicking upload files, what I can do, I can upload the files from my computer. Then if I want to share those files with another groups or another channels, I can copy that link and I can share it. If I want to download any specific file, what I can do, I can click on the download button and it will be downloaded. Or I can add also iCloud storage so that that file will be saved there, along with few more options. This we are going to discuss at the end. Now under that general channels, we have discussed posts and files. After that, beside that files class notebook is there. It means along with all this material, if I want to share something important, what I can do, I can create a notebook, and through that notebook I can share the things which I need to share with the students. This assignment, grades, that we will discuss in the latter part of the video. And if I want to add any of the new tab, I can click on this create, and out of these many functionalities or these many options, whichever is suitable for me, that I can add there. Means we have explored second year team. Under that general channel we have explored. Now if I will go to the second year, here 3 dots I am finding. Just click on those 3 dots and here you can have few more options. Now first option is hide. Means if I want to hide this team from anybody, then I have to click on the hide option. If I will click on hide option, that file will not be visible. Now let us go to the second option, that is manage team. Now under manage team I will get few options as members, channels, settings, analytics and apps. Inside members, what I will get here, I am finding it as a owners too. Matlab myself along with one more professor I have added. As a result of that, it is showing 2 owners. Okay, and if I want to add any member or guest, that is also possible, that also I can add here. Suppose along with that I want to add few more members, means few more students I will need to add, that I can add here. One by one also I can add, or if I am having the Excel sheet of those students, with the help of that Excel sheet also I can add almost all the students inside this team. Now here after members I am finding here pending requests. Suppose I have sent the invitation to few of the students to join this team, they will request the access to join the team, and that pending request will be shown here, and you can approve those requests in order to join them inside your the second year team. Then after that channels is there, that channels we will discuss in a latter part of the video. Let us discuss about the settings. Here inside the settings, number of options are there. We will explore one by one. First, that is team theme. If you want to change the theme of the team, you can click here, and here you can change it. Here either you can take primary, secondary or post-secondary, which is suitable for you, and here subject you can select which is suitable for you. I will select engineering, and out of that, whichever is suitable for my team, that image I will select, and I will click on the date. It will take, and here you can find that image is uploaded or that theme is updated. Now where we were inside this second year team, and here we are checking few more controls. Under that we have started with manage team, and we have reached up to the settings. Inside settings we have explored first setting, that is team theme. Second is member permissions. Out of these what you want to have, that you can go through it, and along as per your requirement you can select the appropriate option. Then if you want to add the guest permissions, and if you want to allow the guest to do the activities with your team, then you have to check the appropriate checkbox. Then add the rate mentions, means while starting the conversation or chatting, what you can do, you can add the rate symbol, and you can start typing the name. If you want to direct that message towards a specific person, that you can select by using this @mentions. Then next is a team code. Here by default that team code will be shown. If it is not shown, you can click on generate button, and that your team code will be generated, and this code you can select with the persons to whom you want to join this meeting. You can click on the full screen, you can see your team code like this. If you want to change or reset this team code, you can click on the reset, it will be resetted. If you want to remove this, you can remove it. If you want to copy it, you can copy it, and you can share with those who want to join the team, or with whom you want to be included in this team. Then next is fun stuff. There are allowance of emojis, memes, gifs and stickers. Here as per your requirement, any of the option you can select, either strict or moderate. Out of that I will highly recommend to use the strict, so that there will not be any conflict during your teams or inside your teams. Then one node class control is there. Then different tags are there. Tags is nothing but what? Suppose in your second year group, or in your second year, any specific you have subgroups you have created. Let us say that in your second year you have created as group 1, group 2, group 3, and to group 1 you have assigned different activities, to group 2 you are going to assign different activities, group 3 you are going to group 3 you are going to allot different activities, to group 4 you are going to allow different activities. Depending upon that you are going to add the tag, so that it will be very much easier to search out their names, or to search for that tag only, and you can send the message or chats during the conversations. It will help you a lot for creating the tag. Then let us move ahead. Let us go to the analytics. It will show the summary. In summary it shows we are 2 users, means we have added 2 users only, myself along with one more teacher. We have used almost 6 apps, and it has consumed almost this much space, 3.3 MB. Engagement is 0, reply 0, mention 0, reaction 0, and here it is showing roles 2 owners plus 2 members, as we are having 2 members and that 2 again owners. That's why it is showing like this, and yet we haven't conducted any of the meeting. That's why it is not showing the further data. If I want to know which apps we have used up till now, these almost 6 apps we have used, and if you want to use more apps you can click here, and out of these whichever is suitable that you can use. I will just click on the back button. Now here we will exploring manage teams, and here we have completed how we can manage the members. Channels we are going to discuss in the subsequent part of the video. And then we have discussed regarding almost all the settings inside that team. Then how we can read, or how we can make use of this analytics, and which apps we are using, and how we can use more apps. Now let us move ahead. Once again go to the second year team, click on these 3 dots and go to the next option, that is add channel. Now here add channel. Suppose under second year I am going to add division A, and for that here if you want to add the description you can add, and here under privacy few options are there with the help of which you can create your channel, either standard accessible to everyone on the team, private accessible to the specific group of people within the team. Depending upon purpose of creating this channel you can select either of these two. And here one more tick you have to go for, it is for automatically showing this channel in everyone's channel list. For that you have to tick here, you have to add. Now under our second year team by default general channel was there. Now one more channel is created, that is nothing but division A. Now under this division A channel once again three tabs are there: post, files, notes. And inside post what I can do, if I want to send the messages I can put here hi, and I can use all these options once again. If I want to make use of all these for writing my message I can write here. If I want to add the subject I can add the subject. If I want to add the attachment I can add here emoji, GIF, stickers, these two stream and trace that we are going to see in the latter part of the video. Then if I want to add or if I want to send any of the YouTube link, then I can search for it and I can add it, and by clicking on this send button easily I can send that message inside this channel which is entitled as division A. If I am going to send, or if I have already sent few of the files and I want to show which files are shared by me and by students, then what I can do, I can click on the files and here I will get all those. If I want to create a folder I can click on this new. Here I will get either I want to add a folder, I want to add a Word document or Excel or like this. No, so many options are there. Out of that whichever is suitable for you that you can select and you can have it. Suppose if you want to upload any of the file from computer you can click on the upload and you can upload it. If you want to share the files which I have uploaded you can copy that link and you can share with the concerned who is in need of it. Suppose I want to download which files we have shared myself along with a few of the participants from this channel, then if I want to add the iCloud storage that I can have by clicking on these three, this we are going to see in the latter part. Then here notes are as well there. Post we have explored, file we have explored. In here notes is nothing but the one note along with these files. Suppose something written if you want to send to students, what you can do, you can add here and you can send it to them. Here in order to format what you are going to type here or what you are going to write, these many controls are there. Easily you can control it and you can send it to them. If you want to add any of the tab you can click here on this plus sign, and out of these many functionalities and these many options you can select a suitable one and you can add that tab. Now we have covered what is there inside this division A channel. Means from where we have started, we have created our second year team. Under that by default general channel will be there, and under that we have created division A channel. Similarly, if in second year 3 divisions or 4 divisions are there, likewise you can create division A, division B, division C, or suppose few more activities you are conducting regarding second year for a specific activity, you can create a channel which is included in the second year team, and those who are interested or as an owner, those who you want whom to be joined, those will be joined inside those channels. Now this under this team we have explored manage teams and add channel. Now let us say if I have to add the members inside this second year team, I can click here and once again whether I want to add a two student or I want to add the teacher, those names I have to type here, or I have to type their email addresses, and easily I can add them and I can close. Now let us go ahead with the next control. If I want to leave the team, by clicking here I can leave the team. If I want to edit the team, by clicking here I can edit the team. If I want to get the link to team, by clicking here what I will do, I will get the link and I will share with them, those who want to join the team. I will copy and I will send it to them. Then manage tags, that already we have discussed. We are going to suppose we are going to have 4 groups: group 1, group 2, group 3 and group 4. And then to group 1 you are going to assign certain types of activities, group 2 certain types of activities, 3 certain types of activities, and to 4 some other activities you are going to assign. Then for each and every group a separate name you are going to assign, that will be treated as a tag in order to call them as and when required in the conversation or in the chat box. And if you want to delete the team, you can click here, but make sure that if you will click on this delete team, all the data which is associated with that team along with your conversations, chat history, files, documents, those will be deleted. Don't worry, that backup will be there at the backend. Now we have explored what is there inside the second year team controls. Now let us discuss with a few of the controls inside this general channel. Let's click on these 3 dots. You will get channel notifications, that we can have all activity notifications, or if you want to off them you can off, or if you want to customize as per your need you can customize. Then second option is if you want to pin this channel to the uppermost, you can pin it. If you want to manage the channel, you can click on that manage the channel and you can manage. Depending upon your requirement, you can select which option is suitable for you, and if you want to check the analytics you can check it easily here. Then if you want to get the email address of this channel, general channel, you can click here and you can get the email address, or if you want to get the link of the channel you can click here and you can get the link and you can share with someone who want to join or who wishes to join that channel. Similarly, let us discuss or let us explore the controls which are there inside this division A channel. Let us click on these 3 dots. I will get once again same channel notifications, whether I want notifications for all activities, or I want to off all the notifications, or I want to customize them. Then if I want to pin it above the general channel, it is possible. If I want to hide, you can click here and you can hide it. If you want to manage the channel, you can click here and you can choose the suitable option, whichever is suitable for you. If you want to check the analytics of that channel, you can check here. Then if you want to get the email address of this division A channel, you can click here and you can get that email address. If you want to get the link to channel to share with somebody who wishes to join this division A channel, you can click here and you can get that shareable link. If you want to edit the channel, you can click here and you can edit that channel. Means if you want to edit the name, or if you want to add the description or edit the description, that is easily possible. And if you want to delete this channel, once again similar to Teams, it is there. If you want to delete the channel, all the data associated with will be deleted. So be careful while deleting any of the channel or any of the teams. Now I hope that everybody might have understood how we can create the team. We have started with creating a team, then we have learned how we can post or how we can have the conversations, how we can add the files, how we can use the notes, how we can add the tabs if you wish to, how we can manage our teams, how we can add number of channels inside that team, how we can add different members, that may be students, that may be teachers inside the team, then how we can leave the team, how we can edit the team, how we can get the link of the team, how we can manage the team, and how we can delete the team. Along with that, as soon as I am going to create a new team, one general channel will be, by default, one general channel will be created. Then we have studied what is there inside this general channel. Once again, similar to teams, in this channel also there is a facility to post the messages, to upload the files, to use the class notebooks, to give the assignments, how we can assess, how we can grade, that we are going to see in the next few videos. Or if you want to add any new tab, by clicking on this plus button, out of these many options I can select the appropriate application and I can add the tab. Similarly, if I wish to add any channel inside that team, I can add a number of channels to a specific group of activities or to a specific task. Inside that division A, similar to our team, few controls are there, that may be post, files, notes. Once again, here in post, what I can do, I can, in these posts, I can share the messages I wish to. In order to customize those messages, I can use these controls, that may be formatting, that may be attaching a file, adding emoji, GIF, stickers, adding YouTube links or other links. That is possible. I can share files as well. I can add the notes. I can add any tab if I wish to. If I want to add a new folder, that is also possible. Then we have gone through the controls for the teams and general channel as well as the division channel. Here also what I can do, in a general channel I can do channel, go for channel notifications, how I can pin that general channel, how we can manage the channel, how we can get the email address of that channel, how to get the link to the channel. After that, we have learned how this division A channel notifications we can customize, how we can pin that channel, how we can hide that channel, how we can manage that channel, how we can get the email address of that channel, how we can get the link of that channel, how we can edit the channel, and finally how we can delete that channel. Now in the next video, what we will do, we will learn how to use these assignments, calendars, calls, files, and so on. I wish that you are enjoying or you are learning how we can make use of this Microsoft Teams software for better understanding of our students. Thank you very much.